What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video we are focusing more on a couple things. First one would be our intake manifold and our exhaust manifold, and second thing would be our PLM header. We're finally going to install this since we have all the bolts that we need. And lastly, we're going to do a lot of modifications since our intake manifold is a little bit huge, a little big, but it's all good. Bigger for more power, right? And after that, we should be doing all of the cleaning stuff in the engine bay. All right, so make sure to stay tuned. But before that, I want to show you guys how the quality looks like first. All right. Yes, sir. So you guys can see the welds are the best. Enough of it. Let's go ahead and get this going, and that way you guys can see what the progress of this EK Civic build. Let's go. For this, I think the last time we said it was a 2.5. Or K series are 2.5 or 3s, right? 3. Yeah. Yeah, K series is pretty much a 3-inch exhaust. We're going to be running a 3-inch for this K24 swap. Also going to install the spark plugs for today, y'all. Since we're already working on the block, so we're going to do some other modifications when it comes to our hood, since this hood is actually hitting the intake manifold a little bit. But anyways, other than that, we should be good. So if you guys didn't know, OEM ignition coils could actually hold up to, like you said, 1200. As of now, we're aiming for 1000, like at least a 4-digit horsepower. So I'm pretty sure these coil packs should be good. So, you know, intake manifold headers, this is all for like the break-in process, which is like 500 miles maybe or something like that, or somewhere there, maybe a little bit more. Other than that, guys, we're gonna get rid of them. Y'all want to know why? We're going boosted, bruh. The goal is to hit 1000 horsepower, so we don't need any of this stuff. These are all for NA parts as of now, but obviously before we get into the boosted section, we do need to break in the car or the motor, so join us. But yeah, we are installing this 90mm throttle body TB, and we'll see how this goes. This is actually my first time seeing this big. Yep. It's a brand new engine with some used parts in it. You guys build a K24 motor then. So all we need is a water manifold and some of the other accessories that this K20 come with it. Alright guys, so we did a lot of great things today. So just a quick recap of what we just did. Evan, our head tech for this whole 1000 horsepower Civic EK build, is going to tell us what we pretty much did for this section.
We did some mock-ups of the accessories just so we could get an idea of where to and how to route the cooling system and the intake in the future. Mocked up the shifter plate so that way I could route these shifter cables in the proper position.
Nice.
But yeah, just basically mocking everything up so I could start plumbing the cooling hoses.
Yes, sir. The hose is right here. We're going to do something about that later on. There might be some little bit of modifications for this, but other than that, we should be good. We recently got a water manifold from another K series, which was an Acura RSX. Was an RSX motor.
Oh yeah.
A K20, which is
the donor motor.
Yeah, the donor motor. But other than that, we have so much things to cover tomorrow. So tomorrow, what do we have going on?
Again, it's just more mock-up, really. and then just to kind of find its place so we can finalize just button things up.
Okay,
Like just
cool.
start tightening up hardware and
Gotcha.
everything. Yeah.
Gotcha. You guys are gonna ask when will the car run? It will not be anytime soon, but as soon as we have more parts, this will definitely be running. So I'll see you guys in section 2.